8 Proven Home Remedies for Hair Growth. Just as your skin needs care and nourishment, your tresses too require your loving attention. A basic hair care routine can go a long way in ensuring healthy hair. Experts caution against an overdependence on chemical products though, when it comes to chalking out a robust hair care plan. Instead, look for natural remedies. In fact, you can find some of the hair solutions in your own home. There are several ingredients, which are easily available in your kitchen, that can fight hair fall, dandruff and scalp infections. Here are some of the most effective home remedies for hair growth that can come in handy for your hair. Before going into the video, we've just printed more copies of what is probably the best plant medicine book ever written. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. How to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description. Now let's get into today's video. 1. How does home remedies for hair growth with amla help? Here are a couple of home remedies, starring amla, for damaged hair. In a bowl, mix 2 teaspoons of amla powder and 2 teaspoons of shikakai powder and a little bit of water to make a smooth paste. Don't let it get watery. Apply the mix on your scalp and hair and wait for about 45 minutes. After this, shampoo your hair in normal water. You can follow this routine once a week. Heat 2 teaspoons of coconut oil till it turns brown. Add a teaspoon of amla powder and let the mixture cool a bit. Massage your scalp with this for about 10 minutes and wait for half an hour or so. Shampoo off. Use a mild shampoo. You can follow this routine twice a week. How amla works: it's considered a natural immunity booster. In fact, experts say that it's the most sought after natural ingredient for hair vitality. Why? This is because amla contains oodles of essential fatty acids, which are said to strengthen hair follicles. Also, a surplus of vitamin C in amla can prevent premature graying. It's also high in iron and potent antioxidants, ellagic, gallic acid and keratin. The latter improves blood circulation around the scalp, thereby stimulating hair growth. What's more, these can also fight dandruff. 2. Can home remedies for hair growth with essential oils help? Your home remedies for hair problems must include essential oils. Here are some varieties that are fated for their magical benefits for hair. Rosemary and lavender. Heat 2 teaspoons of olive oil and add half a piece of avocado in the oil. Whisk them. Add a little bit of honey and an egg. Blend. Add rosemary and lavender oils, 10 drops each. Apply the mix on your scalp and hair and wait for 45 minutes. Shampoo off. Try this once a week. How rosemary and lavender work. Rosemary contains an anti-inflammatory agent called carnosol. This is quite a potent ingredient that can help in balancing hormones. It can boost follicle growth, thereby reducing the chances of hair fall. Linalool and linalool acetate present in lavender can help in strengthening hair roots and stimulating follicles, thereby promoting hair growth. Jojoba remedies. If you have an itchy scalp, massaging jojoba oil can help immensely. This also helps in blood circulation. You can use jojoba as a homemade conditioner as well. Apply it to the hair ends after shampooing. Blend egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil, a teaspoon of honey, and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply the mix on your scalp and hair and wait for about 45 minutes. After that, shampoo off. How jojoba works: it's considered a soothing emollient. And it's often hailed as an effective leave-in treatment for dry hair. It's also rich in antifungal properties that are vital for keeping the scalp in the pink of health. Jojoba can help you get rid of the irritating layers of dead skin on the scalp. It can also help you get rid of dandruff and dirt, leaving behind a clean scalp. Jojoba is also rich in vitamin E, omega-6 and 9 fatty acids and a saturated fatty acid that fights harmful free radicals that have damaged our hair. Jojoba hair oil can also effectively unclog hair follicles. Juniper magic. Juniper oil can be a home remedy for dandruff. Just add 4 to 5 drops of juniper essential oil in a little bit of almond oil and apply the blend on your scalp. Massage. Follow this procedure regularly for at least a couple of weeks. How juniper works. Juniper oil has got astringent properties. Juniper oil can make hair roots stronger, thereby boosting hair growth. If you apply juniper oil on the scalp, you can prevent acne breakouts on the scalp. This is because the antiseptic property of the essential oil prevents the growth of acne-causing bacteria on the scalp. It prevents dirt from accumulating within the follicles, thereby curbing acne breakouts. 2. What are the best home remedies for hair growth with coconut remedies? Through generations, coconut oil has been venerated as a magical home remedy for hair problems. Heat up 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, add the juice of half a lemon and a teaspoon of honey. Mix well and apply on the hair and scalp. Wait for an hour or so and wash it off with a sulfate-free shampoo. This can help you get rid of dandruff. Blend coconut oil and a ripe banana together. Add a little bit of coconut milk to the mixture. Apply on the hair and scalp. Let the mixture rest for quite some time and then shampoo off. This is a good anti-hair fall remedy. Whisk an egg and a teaspoon of honey into coconut oil. Massage onto hair and scalp. Wait for a couple of hours for maximum benefit. Shampoo as usual. This is a good home remedy for damaged hair. Mix coconut oil with almond oil, argan oil, and a tablespoon of yogurt. Apply this mask well on your hair and scalp and keep it overnight. Shampoo it off the next day. This routine will add luster to dull hair. How coconut oil helps. There are several reasons why people have sung paeans to coconut throughout the ages. Medium-chain fatty acids and lauric and capric acid ensure rich antimicrobial and antifungal properties in coconuts, and these are primarily required to prevent free radicals from stunting hair growth. Coconut oils also ensure shiny and dark hair. 4. Does home remedies for hair growth with castor oil prevent hair problems? Add a teaspoon of medi seeds to 6 tablespoons of castor oil and coconut oil each. Heat the mixture till it turns a little brown and starts foaming. Cool it off and massage it on your scalp and hair. Wait for about 45 minutes and wash it off. Apply this mixture at least twice a week for maximum benefits. If you have really dull hair, this mask is the right type of home remedy for you. Take 5 teaspoons of castor oil and 2 teaspoons of mustard oil, that is quite common in our kitchens. Mix well and massage onto your scalp and hair for about 10 minutes. Shampoo it off after a while. How castor oil works. It has been traditionally used for treatment of damaged scalp and hair loss. Castor oil is rich in proteins, minerals and vitamin E, and therefore it works as a magic potion for your hair. What's more, castor oil has ricinoleic acid and omega-6 essential fatty acids, which boost blood circulation to the scalp, thereby increasing hair growth. Castor oil can also be used to tackle split ends. 5. Can we rely on home remedies for hair growth with shikakai and retha? You can make shikakai powder at home by drying the pods in the sun for a few days and then grinding it in a mixer. Take about 2 tablespoons of this powder and add it to a jar of coconut oil. Store the container in a cool, dark place for about 15 days. Shake before use. Use this to massage your scalp at least twice a week. How shikakai works. This has been considered a highly effective home remedy for all kinds of hair problems. Because of its fantastic hair cleansing properties, it's often considered a natural alternative to shampoo. It is rich in antioxidants and vitamins A, C, K, and D, which can keep the hair nourished. Rinse with retha, soap nuts. Take several pieces of soap nuts and shikakai points. Boil them in 500 liters of water. Leave the mixture overnight. Strain the mixture and use it as a shampoo. Use regularly and marvel at the myriad benefits. How retha works. Retha is saponin, that is responsible for keeping your hair healthy. 6. What are the benefits of home remedies for hair growth with aloe vera for hair? If you have greasy hair, aloe vera can be a savior. Add 5 drops of lemon juice and 2 drops of tea tree oil and mix them with 3 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Massage your head with this, using your fingertips. Cover your hair with this mask and let it stay for 30 minutes. Shampoo off, use conditioner as well. Tea tree oil can act against scalp infections. Soak 2 tablespoons of medi seeds in water overnight. Blend the softened seeds to form a smooth paste. Mix this 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply this as a hair mask and keep it on for 45 minutes. Shampoo off. This can be a good anti-hair fall mask. How aloe vera works. Aloe vera has myriad benefits for our skin and hair, mainly because of its strong contents. It is rich in fatty acids, vitamins, essential amino acids, and minerals like zinc and copper that are known for boosting hair growth. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.